Okay, I sound a little sick. I'm not Rona positive. Trust. Biggest allergies.
Just hay fever.
It's been quite a time since I did a J-style plus size clothing haul. These girls who are amazing, beautiful. I love J-style. I love everything about their brand message. Body positive, body inclusive, thick, stubby girls like me. I thought it'd be amazing to try on clothes that are considered plus size in Korea on my body. This is her. Let's go! Okay, so I have on the first outfit and I'm so confused as to why this is considered plus size. This is the top, this is the skirt. Plus size. By the way, I'm a mid-sized girl. I wear size 8. So the fact that this is considered plus size in Korea. I do love this front knotted tank where it's ripped, covered up, nicely snug the girlies. The color's cute. Really appreciate how the straps are actually closer and you have a lot of space here. The closer your straps are, the thinner your shoulders are. It literally is so well fitted on my body. I'm not a huge fan of this cardigan. Again, with the lettuce lace tracing all around the cardigan, literally all around town, girl. Put your seatbelt on. I just don't like how it closes up on the shoulders. Pop your shoulders, don't be shy. The skirt is not giving. This skirt is just way too long. Open slit, that movement, you know what I'm saying? Pockets, it's just so thin. Beige khaki color. It feels very camp counselor. Yes. Babysitting. Yes. Grade school. Yes. Church. Yes. Married. Yeah, it's quite wrinkly. How? This is considered plus size. I'm truly confused on Asian beauty standards. How is this plus size? I'm getting pissed. These jeans actually fit super comfortably. It's super comparable to a size large. Literally, if it's so nice that I'm pissed, why are we labeling these clothes as plus size? Only because it's making me realize how bad the beauty standards are in Asia. If this is considered plus size, then what the frick? I'm Asian. It don't make me feel good about my people. Sorry to be a party pooper here. I love the shade of gray. It looks like a good pair of mom jeans. Long ass day. You know how we do. I do like how much it rises up over the belly button. It's not too long on the crotch area. Coochie hoochie. It's not looking too baggy and saggy. It's not like too tight where there's a camel toe. I mean, this doesn't feel like I need to have a front wedgie and pull it out, you know? Am I still pissed? Yes. It's just disappointing how the beauty standard can be in Asia and make people like you and I feel shitty. So, great for us! This denim black skirt, and again, it fits great. I do believe this is in the size JF or J1, one of those. Very concerned. I want to go talk to whoever made the standard up. Can I talk to you? You know what? I'm just gonna accept it's just different. Like I've been known. All my hauls revolve around Asian sizes are smaller than American sizes and I wear literally double the size here in America. I really like this X belt detail. This side is not an X. The quality of this denim is amazing. I do love the distress down here. Pocket detail here where it looks like a patching. Only on one side, once again. Why don't we try to make light of this situation? I just don't want a lot of you guys to feel how I felt strongly initially. And that is just feeling like, well, fuck, what does that make me? Because here we do practice the idea of body positive, body neutrality, not letting labels and numbers define who you are. So me feeling this way kind of goes against everything that I try to preach and practice. I'm not saying it's easy. Realizing that these pieces of clothing are considered plus size makes me wonder where I stand on the scale. I doubt myself, I doubt my size, and it makes me feel stupid almost, reflecting back to when I was in Asia thinking I'm just a normal girl when people probably looked at me like, damn, she's like very big is what, you know, I was telling you're very big. And trust me, when I was in Korea, I like received that judgment verbally and non-verbally. I'm saying it from experience. It just makes me feel sad for the naive Faye, and putting these clothes on doesn't help that feeling at all. So let's just try to have a better attitude. Of course, I'm still gonna be critiquing as I go because we're staying true and real. We're not gonna let these fabrics, pieces of material, belittle us. Okay, bullshit. The large is a plus size over there, then the more the merrier. I'm gonna sell this. It's gonna be on Poshmark. So here's the next piece, sweater. Considered plus size, which is kind of weird to me because sweaters are meant to be worn big and baggy. It just feels very, here, we don't really have a lot of plus size clothes, so we'll just add this sweater in to give this category more clothes to choose from. It literally has the worst shape on me. And again, no hate to the brand at all. I've worked with the brand before in Korea. I modeled for them before. Love them dearly. I guess I'm just saying this in a general tone. Not a fan fan of the style. I can't tell if it's supposed to be like more casual, sporty. Why is it plus size, you may ask? I don't know. I have my own theories on that, but you can have your own too. I'm not digging it at all. You better believe it's also gonna be on the Poshmark page. It's like nice quality. It has more of that thick knitted heavy duty feel. The sleeves are nice and knitted and closed up, so it does give you that balloon sleeve shape. Now we're moving on to this skirt. Girl, I'm a mama kangaroo. Lower shin, I can see why this is considered plus size because it is stretchy. Like there's not much to it. Pencil skirt. You can pull it up as high or low as you want. Do I feel sexy in this? Absolutely not. This fungus booger green color is really cute though. I really like it. Stretch. Stretch. Vase shape vase. Ooh, girl, she had a long ass day. It's giving me I hate my life as a wife. I don't love my husband vibes. At least there's this band that makes your waist look good. Kind of. That's it. These jeans. Honestly, the quality is not the best. It's super light and thin. I paid a ton for these. Of course, it's gonna be on my Poshmark. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna also sell these for way less. They are more wide-legged, which I do like. I appreciate the fact that there is this poofing. If you do have insecurities with your tummy pouch, you can kind of let that out and sink into this area, folding that stretches so it does conform better to your belly. That's a plus. As you can see around my waist, it fits fine. I do like the length of these jeans. They're a lot shorter. It's not like huge in quality. I know I can eat in this and not feel like I'm stuffed. We're being positive. We're being positive. Oh, you also have that flaring at the back. Yeah. So I got this bra. Ooh, has a lot of this gripping underneath that feels like a styrofoam mattress. Look at that. There's no wiring at all. The padding of the styrofoam, I guess you can call it, has such nice shaping. It's still gonna cup your chesty besties very well. Finally, one thing I freaking absolutely love. This feels so good, and I love the fact that it looks like a tank, and it's so reliable. That's amazing. The push-up, the gripping underneath, damn. I do love how thin the straps are. It blends into my skin. It reminds me a lot of the nay-white bras that obviously I wear all the time. I was just wearing my nay-white bra. It's a go. The backing is huge, so that feels very nice that you can tuck it all in, you know? I love bras like this. I can see how this will be very helpful if you have bigger chested besties and you have a lot of weight to carry on your back. I think one thing to be aware about this, the poking of the stitching here and then the folding of the band. However, it does lift and carry a lot of your weight. There's a reason why they made it thicker. The color is cute. It is. I did get these panties. Very see-through, stretchy, lacy all around, flap on the side. Very girly and cutesy. I do want to try it, but not for you. The last piece that I accidentally bought two of, because what is a haul with a fae accidentally buying two of? This is a slip-on dress in the size J1. Fits pretty fine. My girly Gyo, which I love her. Met her in person. She's the sweetest, the funniest, the most inclusive. She modeled this and looked fucking sexy. I put it on, I freaking look, what am I? Why? Why do I look like this? Literally a child. It goes up too high for me. I don't love that. This is basically just a slip you can wear to sleep. I don't know, I don't really like my armpits being touched like that. I just thought I'd look sexy, so I got this. And turns out I am the least sexy thing to look at right now. I think you guys can read my opinion about this whole plus size haul. Oh wait, I got these sandals just for myself. Very bulky and chunky. Mixed emotions, interesting haul. I feel like beauty standards all around the world changes all the time, but that doesn't mean that your body size, shape, weight is wrong. I'm starting to run out of ideas of what to film, so please comment down below what ideas you guys want me to tackle for us thickety chickadees. And until next time, I'm sending love. Bye!
Even if you tried, you wouldn't